Hello again, you wonderful people, and welcome back. It's Rog here. So tonight I'm going to make a wonderful family-friendly ragu. It's a beautiful ragu, it's full of flavour, it's for everybody, unless you're a vegetarian of course. Now for our vegetables, we're going to need 2 carrots, roughly chopped, 2 white onions, 2 sticks of celery.
We're going to need some little sprigs of rosemary, just like this. Pull all the little leaves off and chop them up very finely.
A couple of cloves of garlic, finely chopped. And here I've got 3 rashers of smoked streaky bacon. I'm going to cut this up into nice little pieces. So onto the hob with a pan. Then we add some olive oil.
And in with the rosemary.
Give this a couple of minutes to get the flavours going. Then in with about 10 ounces of pork mince and 10 ounces of beef mince. In that goes. Then in with the bacon. And we can break this down. Now, can you see how the water's starting to come out of the meat? That's fine. We'll just leave it cooking. That'll go, we'll leave it cooking until it starts to fry again. Now, can you hear that sizzle? That's just starting to cook nicely now. And if it sticks and catches on the bottom, that's all the better because that's all flavour going into the ragu. But don't leave it another 10 minutes, otherwise the flavour will turn to burnt. Into a food processor with the onions. Now we want these chopped up about equally as the mince, about the same size. Then we do the same with the carrot, celery and the garlic. Perfect. We'll keep mixing this for about 10 minutes on and off. Now we can add all the veggies. In with the onions, in with the carrot, celery and garlic. And that goes. I've got the gas on a low heat. I'm going to stir this once every minute for the next 10 minutes. And then I'm going to add all of the wet stuff. So this has been cooking now for probably about 20 minutes. I'm going in with 1 heaped tablespoon full of this lovely tomato puree, which is going to give you a gorgeous depth of flavour. And 1 whole can of chopped tomatoes. Plus rinse out the can and add 1 can of cold water. We'll give this a lovely stir. Of course we mustn't forget our bay leaves, freshly picked from my garden I might add. We'll just give them a little bit of a scrunch, then they can go in. It looks a bit wet when you first put the water in and the tomatoes. But don't worry, because we're going to let this simmer now on a gentle heat for about 1.5, maybe 2 hours. And it will develop this lovely, rich, intense flavour, and it will be one of the best ragu sauces that you could possibly have made. So you just got to be patient.
Now, doesn't that look wonderful? Now I've made twice as much as I need, so
I'm going to freeze what's left in these little plastic containers. Better take out the bay leaves, I suppose. So there we go, another meal for another day. How economical is that? So I hope you've liked this latest video of mine and enjoyed it. I've enjoyed making it, and I've enjoyed the end product, that's for sure. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I'm looking forward to seeing you the next time. Oh, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if possible, that would be great. So thanks once again, and bye for now folks.